So I want to show you something that's really important in JavaScript and all programming languages, and that is when you try to execute some code, there's a high chance that something may go wrong. So in our case, we're trying to do a fetch request to a Google URL. In this example, I malformed the URL so I can actually show you an error, but sometimes your API may have an issue and it might throw you an error. And so when that happens, you typically want your program to be resilient, catch the error, and show a different error message to your users. So what you can do is you can wrap your code in something called a try catch, like so. And what this is going to do is if this code inside of here were to have any issues, let's say the backend was down or the backend had an issue with your input, instead of just having it crash your entire application, you can catch the error and you can do something with it. So in our case, we could just print out a custom error message saying that something bad happened. And now when I run this code, notice that it just prints out something bad happened. Now I want to show you that without the try catch, this is actually going to crash the entire application. So make sure you add these try catches to anything that may potentially have error edge cases that you might not know about, because if things can go wrong, they will go wrong.